Telewer AI is one of the latest and most talked about AI software releases, and today we're going over the 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. If you're considering using it or simply curious about what all the buzz is about, keep watching. I'm going to break down exactly what Telewer AI offers, why it's different, and how it can help you grow in the world of digital marketing. But before we dive in, let me quickly mention that you can actually try this software completely free. Check out the first link in the description for more information and get started with Telewer AI today. Now, let's get into the first thing you should know. Telewer AI is a game changer for automating marketing tasks. Whether you're handling email marketing, social media, or creating high-converting copy, Telewer AI uses machine learning to automate a lot of these tasks, saving you time and boosting your productivity. The software is designed to make complex marketing workflows effortless and allows you to focus on strategy while it takes care of the repetitive tasks. Another key feature is the intelligent content generation. This is a big one, as content creation can be time-consuming and often requires constant optimization. Telewer AI leverages advanced natural language processing to generate highly relevant and engaging content for blogs, social media, ads, and more. If you're someone who struggles with writer's block or simply doesn't have the time to write content every day, Telewer AI can quickly produce tailored content that fits your brand's voice. You should also be aware that Telewer AI integrates with major platforms like Facebook, Google, and Shopify, which makes it super easy to manage all your marketing efforts in one place. No more juggling multiple tools or platforms to see your campaigns through. With Telewer, you get seamless integration for streamlined reporting, tracking, and optimization. This integration saves you a ton of time and eliminates the hassle of switching back and forth between different software. A standout feature of Telewer AI is its advanced analytics and reporting tools. Telewer doesn't just automate tasks, it also helps you understand what's working and what's not. It provides actionable insights with detailed reports that help you tweak your strategies for better results. This data-driven approach makes it a must-have tool for anyone serious about growing their business with AI-powered marketing. Now, you might be wondering how difficult it is to use. The truth is, Telewer AI is user-friendly. Even for beginners, you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed with marketers in mind, meaning you'll be up and running in no time without having to spend hours on training. And if you do need help, the support team is responsive and always available to guide you. One of the things that sets Telewer AI apart from others in the market is its customization options. This is a big deal because every business is different and one-size-fits-all solutions don't work. With Telewer, you can adjust the AI's behavior to match your specific needs. Whether you want it to focus on SEO, conversions, or social media engagement, you can fine-tune it to suit your business goals. This level of customization gives you more control over the AI's output, ensuring it aligns with your marketing strategy. Finally, Telewer AI is scalable. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, Telewer can grow with you. As your business expands, the AI adapts to your increasing needs, which means it remains relevant and valuable long-term. No matter how big your marketing campaigns get, Telewer will be able to handle the load, ensuring you stay on top of your marketing efforts without additional stress. To sum up, Telewer AI is an incredibly powerful tool that streamlines your marketing tasks, creates high-quality content, integrates seamlessly with major platforms, provides in-depth analytics, and is easy to use and customize. It's an all-in-one solution that can help you save time and increase your efficiency, especially if you're new to AI-driven marketing. As someone who's tried countless AI software tools, I've put together a list of my TADS recommended AI software tools that you can also try for free in the description below. I highly suggest checking it out after giving Telewer a spin. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that link and try out Telewer AI for yourself.